America, one Indian boy, नाम भी एकदम उसका इंडियनाइज्ड नाम, सुशील गुप्ता, है ना? नाम सुशील, बंदा भी सुशील. He became friends with one American whose name is Henry. And both of them, they are having a conversation in a bar. So this Sushil Gupta is totally depressed, dejected. And Henry comes up to him and asks, "Hey, Sushi, what happened?" You know, why this long face? Why this dejected face? What happened? And he's telling to this American friend, he said, "What should I tell you? My parents back in India, they want me to marry this village girl. And I don't want to. I'm pursuing my career here in America. And they want me to marry because she's of the same caste." And you know that typical story. "And if I don't agree, then all my education fees, everything will be cut. I feel I'm screwed up. My life is screwed up." Henry, he took his second peg and he said, you think this story of yours is called screwed up story? Listen to my story. You have courage to listen to my story, Sushil Gupta? Okay. You start your story. So Henry starts his story. He said, "I fell in love with a widow. I fell in love with a widow who was already having a daughter from her previous marriage. I wanted to marry somehow, despite she is a widow having, a daughter. So this widow's name is Rosie. Daughter's name is Tracy. I still wanted to marry and take responsibility of both of them. But then, as we were courting together, and we decided, I didn't know, my dad fell in love with Tracy. सुशील गुप्ता, उसका नशा उतरा. He said, then what? This is the beginning of the story, by the way. You cannot have a more complex mathematical problem than this, what is about to happen. So Henry marries Rosie. Henry's dad marries Rosie's daughter. Now technically, if Henry is marrying Rosie, then Tracy becomes the stepdaughter of Henry. But now, the stepdaughter has married Henry's dad. So Henry's dad technically becomes Henry's son-in-law. Are you following? Henry's dad now officially becomes Henry's son-in-law. Now, because Henry's dad has become son-in-law, and he's still the dad also, and he has married Henry's stepdaughter, so Tracy becomes a stepmom also of Henry. समझ में आ रहा है? So now Henry, he has his dad as son-in-law, and dad's now newly wedded wife, this Tracy, becomes his stepmom, which is supposed to be his stepdaughter. Now because Rosie is the mother of Tracy, and Rosie becomes the grandmom of Henry. This was not enough. When Henry had a son, so the son becomes the stepbrother of Tracy. And this Henry's son becomes the Sala of Henry's dad. Confusing hai na? Enough. And the last nail on the coffin was when Henry's dad, who married Tracy, they begot a son. So now, because Tracy also happens to be the stepdaughter of Henry, so the son of Tracy becomes the grandson of Henry. So Henry becomes the grandfather of his dad's son. When Sushil Gupta heard that, he said, Dandvat Pranam. And Henry said, this is called screwed up. This is called unalloyed screwed up. अब बोलो क्या बोलोगे? तो वो है ना, एक आदमी ने बागीचे में, किसी और के बागीचे में पका हुआ आम देखा, मन ललचाया उसका उस आम को खाने के लिए। आंखों ने उस आम को देखा, पैर चलकर गए। जिन आंखों ने देखा था वो आंखें गई नहीं चलकर, गए पैर, पैर चलकर गए। और फिर उस आम को तोड़ा किसने? हाथों ने तोड़ा। तो जिसने देखा था वो गए नहीं, जो गए उन्हें तोड़ा नहीं, जिसने तोड़ा उसने खाया नहीं, क्योंकि खाया जीभ ने, और जिसने खाया जीभ ने चखा उसने अपने पास रखा नहीं, उसने नीचे ट्रांसफर कर दिया। अब ये सब जो हो रहा था, इसमें माली ने देख लिया इस चोर को आम चुराते हुए, वो लाया लाठी और पीठ पर मारता है। अब बेचारे पीठ का कोई लेना देना नहीं, न तो पीठ ने देखा था, न पीठ वहां पर चल कर गई, न पीठ ने वो आम तोड़ा था, न पीठ ने वो आम चखा था। लाठी किसको पड़ी? पीठ को। लेकिन जब पीठ पर लाठी पड़ी तो आंसू निकले आंख से, क्योंकि देखा आंख नहीं था। तो घुमा फिरा के चाहे जो भी हमारी जिंदगी में आए, वो भी भगवान का प्लान है, हमें कुछ न कुछ सिखाने के लिए। Therefore, when we are talking of mistakes, the first thing is admit it. The first mistake we do after committing a mistake, we never admit. That is a bigger mistake than the original mistake, never admitting. अरे यहां लोग अपनी गलती नहीं मानते, किसी और को अपना कैसे मानेंगे? Then learn from it. Accepting our mistakes means accepting ourselves with our mistakes. Yes, we, and there is a mistake which we commit. There is a difference between the two. Many times, like I said, we are allowed to commit mistakes, but don't become a mistake. And yes, finally, never repeat. गलतियां भले ही 1000 करो, गलतियां भले ही 1000 करो, पर एक बात का ख्याल रखो कि जो भी गलती करो वो गलती नई गलती होनी चाहिए, पुरानी गलती नहीं। अलाउड है गलती करना, बट नई गलती होनी चाहिए।